Yo, what's going on, guys? So today's a new episode. I was going to film me driving here, but let me tell you something, guys. I broke my GoPro mount, if you didn't see the last episode, and man, this thing is loud. It's so loud, man. It's crazy how loud it is, and it felt like such a race car, dog. Like, I'm in love. Like, that just made my day. So if you're watching this, like, I was really mad getting into the car doing it. As soon as I drove, it made me happier, and that's why we build these cars, because this is our release. So that's what I pretty much did, guys. JJ just wrapped this. Customer gonna come pick this up. It's a girl. You said female driven, right? Yeah. Yeah, look, she got the rims on it. She wasn't playing. And it's like a satin, which looks kind of cool, honestly. Look, they did the purple accents. And then he's wiping it. He's cleaning it off right now. Did that. Look, she got the pink seats inside. Dude, she was like really Barbie dolled this out. All right, and then we got Turd Box in here. Race kart, go-kart, man. I wish you guys could have heard it, but the audio would have sucked. I'm still hitting really bad boost cut. Boost cut is definitely happening. This thing wants to make pounds. Like, this thing wants to make boost really bad. So it keeps cutting me off. It's just like, But this is why I love boost. And Greg always told me about this, but I finally experienced it, and it made me smile like a little kid on Christmas. So I'm driving, and there's like a bunch of people that keep trying to get in front of me, like, because I guess the car is so loud, they just think that, like, I'm being obnoxious, or I'm just another Civic, you know, with a fart can on it or something, you know. And they're like trying to like, they're pretty much trying to go around me, like, oh, he's too slow, let me go around him. And man, I suck them up so simply. Like, I'll just stay in second gear, like, just coasting, because if you guys don't know, third gear is messed up. I'm definitely going to need a new trans. Third gear is worthless. It works a little bit, it's iffy. So I'll probably end up blowing this trans up and then taking it out, because I might as well beat the hell out of it for what it is and then swap it with a GSR. But anyway, so they try to pull past me, and I just be in gear, and I just let boost kick, and it's like, and I just scoot them back, and they just look dumb as hell because they were about to try to pass me. And then some girl did it in TSX. I didn't see if she looked good or anything, so Carly, you seeing this, don't be mad at the boy. I didn't even see her. But I know it was a girl driving it, same car as mine, and she tried to pull on me, and I just literally stretched her for like 3,000 RPMs, and like, she just was all the way back there, and I was like, yeah, race car. Ha! But anyway, let's get this progress. Alright guys, so I got to upgrade for the Integra. You know I'm constantly trying to buy stuff, make it better. And I don't know if you remember back in the day, JJ said it, I need new motor mounts. So the guy that sold me the fuel rail and the pressure regulator and all that ended up telling me he had motor mounts. So he said they're Hassport steels. Now, I'm going to let you guys tell me if you think they're Hassports. I went on the website and see it. They kind of look like OG ones. But the bushings themselves are mint, so I don't know if they just have Hassport bushings, inserts. I don't really know. He gave me the box, and he was legit before, so I'm not going to call him out. At the end of the day, I paid $40 for these, so I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. Even if they're eBays, I'm not mad. So here they are. These are the new mounts we're going to be putting in, and the bushings are great. Look at them. This is the back mount. This is the driver's side. And this is the transmission. Now, obviously, it's got a little bit of surface rust. Maybe Jay's got some shit to paint it. I really don't care as much. I'd rather get the performance out of it, because they're not Hassports anyway, so I don't feel like they're going to look too great. I mean, they technically are Hassports, but do they look like Hassports? You guys be the judge. It's the moment.
Oh, damn it.
Damn it! Fucking camera.
Camera lies.
Don't worry, it's just for you two.
Or just for you too. Oh man. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, you did the tail lights? Oh man. It's nice.
Yeah, we went above and beyond a little bit.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's fresh.
You like it?
Yeah.
Think it's approval?
Nothing like. Yeah. This is nice.
Nice, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Happy customer is the way. That bitch probably loose, huh?
It is loose.
Oh.
I shouldn't be able to just go whoop and just unscrew that bitch.
Yeah, that makes sense, because we were having a lot of motor rock, so that's a big indication. But now we got these new mounts. It's going to be good. These are actually like siliconed. Like somebody did the Boosted Boys and polyurethane siliconed them. And it is a cheap way.
I wish I had my engine left over there from I have it over there in my other garage. I don't feel like pulling it over here. We just hook it up to the engine lift and just hold the whole engine up while we're doing the motor mounts. So try to jack it up.
Yeah, no, jacking up sucks. But with 2 people, it's not so bad. But 1 person is kind of sucks. All right, got it jacked up. Here, I'm gonna. Should I push up maybe a little bit more? All right, no, that's good.
Well, we'll notice when it starts dropping.
Well, I mean, I got it under the transmission, so.
You're fine.
Guys, so something JJ just pointed out. Very, very loose. Now, when I did this clutch and stuff, it was my first time ever, and obviously I probably didn't tighten them good enough. So that could have been a lot of reason why they were being very bad with rocking a little bit. Even though my mounts are still wore out, that was definitely helping. So whatever, you live and you learn. It's all right. It ain't gonna happen now, and we got new mounts. So hey, but if I had new mounts, it probably still wouldn't be that bad. Or they'd back out and I'd have my motor on the ground. But one of the two. All right, guys. So here's the replacement. Very nice. The 62A bushings or the eBay knockoffs, whatever. I don't really care. They look better than that, guys. Would you rather have this? I got a question. Would you rather have this mount or this mount? You guys comment down below. So let's get this bad boy in. Using JJ's shop vac. And this is the update on this, guys. Just how she looks now. A lot more cleaner. I haven't gotten to the super cleaning part yet, but we're making some progress.
Damn.
A mess. Look at that thing, man. So that one and the other one are destroyed. The mount is in there, guys. Now it's just tightening it up. That one took long. It was kind of a fighter because stuff was rusted and old. Got 3 new ones, so I mean the car drove like crap. This should definitely help. I've had so many people today say, your car is so clean, and I'm like, this is Christina 2.0. This is Corella. Like, she not clean, but she's getting there. Yeah, but look at the inside.
You did it.
I ain't do that. I said I ain't do that. Look at it. Show the camera. Show the camera.
What the fuck?
He said, that's a pretty good mount. I look at it, he's like, ah. It was probably good when it first came. That's the original. So look at it, guys. Look at it. Another polyurethane job. Told you. I mean, it works, but not great. And then, obviously, we got the new.
Get the washer.
Yeah, I don't want to get that washer. It just fell. Look at it. It's dancing inside of it. You see that?
That's
look,
funny.
Look, let's do comparison, guys. I think it's. Oh my God! It's growing. It's coming alive. Oh no! All right, maybe it's. I'm getting my hands dirty, but you get the idea, guys. It can slide right out. Look at this. All right.
That's it.
That's it.
She's in.
And just throw those 14s back in there and boot. All right, guys. So you guys see that's a good upgrade right there, man. All right, so we got it out. It was a pain. Got the other one mocked in there. Now you guys can kind of see. That's the newer one, and you can see the bushing is mint. And this is the last one. Look at that, guys. So, let's put them all together. Let you guys see it. This is what your boy K-Power had. So we replaced all 4, if you guys remember. So I'm hyped, and I guess the nut was the wrong one or something, so JJ's about to finesse a better one for us, but whew, that took a couple hours actually, guys. That did not happen as fast as they make it seem, but they're in there and they're not going anywhere, and we got that torque mount, so I'm happy. So we got the one in the back, the one on the driver's side, one on the transmission, and the torque mount, and all I gotta do is come do this torque mount, but I gotta buy it. If you see, it's not so bad. It's pretty bad, but not as bad as the other one. Alright guys, so I just used the air hose. And pretty much what I did was, because we know the sunroof is leaking a little bit, like the drain, not really that bad. But if you guys see right here, hold on. If you guys see up here, there's like these little clips. And if you just take that out, that's the hose to the sunroof. So what I did was I sprayed inside the sunroof and then in them hoses. And hopefully that did something. That's what everybody on the forum says. But yeah, it's real easy. Needle noses. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace!